Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a special type of slime. So let's get right on to the video. What you are going to be needing is some activator. I prefer Stay Flow because it does the job really quick. So next you are going to be needing some Method hand soap. It doesn't matter which kind, just grab some hand soap. Next, we're going to be needing some glue. I'm using clear because I want to make a clear slime, but yeah. Next, color is optional. I'm not going to do it because I love clear glue slime. Then you're going to need a mixing bowl, and then a mixing spoon. So let's get right on. First, you're going to add all of the glue. I'm not going to make a too big of a slime, so I'm just adding a little bit of glue. And guys, we are creating a slime account, so we're going to put it in the comments. It might not be ready when you guys watch the video, so just keep on coming back. And we will figure out how to put it on. If you guys have any suggestions on the slime you want, then just comment it down below on this video. And we will make it, and then we'll put it on the website, and you guys can buy it. They're about $15 because we're making really good ones. So after that, I'm just going to add some of the Method hand soap. First, you just want to mix the glue around to get the consistency and a lot of air bubbles. So it should look like that. There's a lot of air bubbles, so now it's ready to put the hand soap in. You're just going to add 2 small pumps. And mix that in. Mix it so, like, see how it's kind of white? I don't want it white, I want it clear. So I'm going to mix it until it's clear. If you want to, you can add more clear glue. No more coming out for me. I'm just going to mix it. And I'm going to go grab... Okay, grabbed another one of them, and I'm just going to dump about until it's clear, because I don't want to waste all the glue making it clear, but I do want it to be clear. Okay, so I'm going to mix that in and see if it'll turn it clear-ish. Still not the clearest, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I wouldn't add more than 2 packets or else it'll get too big. So now I'm just going to mix that. It's pretty color still. I like it. I'd use clear hand soap if you have clear hand soap. I had this white bluish one, so it's kind of turned it white. Okay, then next you're going to add... I'm going to add, since it's already white, I'm going to add the teeniest amount of yellow and mix that in and see what it does. Well, of course it's going to color it, but I want to see what it colors. I'm making a baby yellow. It's just super light yellow. So it'll look still clearish, which that's cool. I just got glue on my face. Okay, so you're just gonna mix that in really well. And after, you can use any color you look like. This is how mine looks like, so you can have it. You should have it. I just dropped you guys in my slime. Okay, let me wipe you guys off. Okay, there we go. Oops. So just mix that in really good until it's a consistency you want it to be. So I'd get all the color off the sides, mix it in, make it really good texture. And then you're just going to make a lot of air bubbles, so mix it really quick and just make a lot of air bubbles. Okay, there's some air bubbles. Doesn't matter if there's like a ton, just a few. Then you're going to add your state flow or activator. Just pour a little bit in at a time, and then mix that. So we're making kind of a water slime. So then you're gonna want to get a cup of water.
There's a just use this plastic cup right here in that drawer. The top drawer on the back, there's a plastic cup. And the top, the one you just had your hand on. See that? Yeah, the ones in the party. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you fill that up. Some water. And so here is the cup. Did you guys see that? Splashed up. I set it down, it splashed up. So there's your cup, and you're just gonna pour a little bit of water in. This is a super good water slime. Mom, look at my water slime.
Wow, it's good, honey.
So it's really jiggly, and just keep adding water until you like that consistency of the water slime. You're gonna need to add more activator because this unactivated it. So you're gonna need to add that and then add activator. More activator to activate it at the consistency you want to keep it that way. I want a little bit more water.
Usually by February, it's like, all right, it's over for the year. We'll start again in October, though.
Okay. So this slime is looking super good. Can I have a napkin? Thanks, Mom. Okay, so I'm just gonna wipe my hands off because it's not fully activated, even though. Oh, yes. Alright, so then you're just gonna mix. What is the blue on my face? It's not fully activated, so I'm gonna add water. I want it really like watery and jiggly. Why? No, it's water slime. Mom, you have to activate it too. Okay, so that is about the consistency I want my water slime to be. Next, I'm going to add the activator. You're going to need a lot of activator for this, but just do little amounts at a time because you don't want it to over-activate and not have the slimy watery and be all jelly and messy. You want it to be jelly, but you don't want it to be like all messy and sticky and not watery. So.
Hona, no. Leave her alone. Hona.
Okay.
Hona.
So you're just gonna mix that in. It's Aspen's. Yes, my sister's sick. She had a temperature of 104 and she might have the flu. So go on one of her videos and send some prayers. Like, we hope you feel better. Does she have it?
Uh-huh.
We're testing for flu. Okay, so just mix that until it's a good consistency. As you can see, it's not really the activator's not really mixing with the water. So this one's gonna take some kneading.
I can probably 6 to 8, and then you can set with a time on over like 3. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay.
So just mix it pretty quick. It's okay if some gets on the counter. Because it's gonna get on the counter anyways.
Okay. That sounds good. Thank you.
It's pretty good.
Are you too? Like,
That's amazing. Yes!
they said they're going to send her strap in.
Mom, can I put it on the counter? Look it.
Could have been just.
Mom, can I put it on the counter and eat it?
Yeah, not eat it, but the wrapper one.
Eat it.
They would
Not
send it in
eat it.
and then back up. With all
love this color,
Most
guys.
likely it's either strep or just a virus.
Corona.
No.
So just need one part one by one, or else it's not going to be
Happy you don't
as
have
watery.
Huh?
It's not like water
No,
slime, like
because
the
they said
jiggly
the
thing.
symptoms that she
It's
was complaining about
jiggly,
don't
like not the
coincide
water thing,
what they're seeing
but
with kids in
it's
COVID,
jiggly.
I mean, if it comes
And
back,
we added water,
they
so it's
don't
water
typically
slime.
get that sore throats. They think
Okay.
it's probably strep.
And then on the counter, there should be a little bit of water if you spilled some like me. So you can just mix that in. It's not stretchy slime because it's water slime, but it's a good slime to like
Just
knead.
hit her and she'll feel better tomorrow too. So we'll see.
Okay, so I'm gonna get all of it out on the counter. Before I do that, though, I'm going to knead it in my hand so it's a better consistency. I am in love with this slime, guys. It's amazing. Okay. And it's not that clicky because it's water slime, so you're just gonna do that. It's so good, guys. Look at that. And it's more stretchy as you add it. Makes it awesome Instagram swirl. I love this slime. I meant to do it a really fluffy and good slime, but I made a mistake, guys, in the beginning, so we somehow made it into water slime. That's why I didn't show the water in the first place. So good. Okay, so there is your turnout of the water slime. Mom, look at it. So that's the turnout of the water slime. I hope this worked for you and it didn't just be a blob mess all over your counter. So if it did, tell your mom I'm sorry. But yeah, it'll make really good bubbles. It'll make bubbles even if you're kneading it because it's made with dish soap. So, bye guys.